Hi, I am Harihara Subramanian, Sales Director of Crust and Crumb. So, Crust and Crumb is a bakery ingredients manufacturing company located in Kerala, which is the southern tip of India, and we started our domestic operations humbly in 2013. So it's almost 11 years for us. We are doing in India, and we are experts in terms of having unique premixes, which nobody in India has. Our USP is to launch unique premixes only. And with that, obviously, we have a few common general, premixes, concentrates, glazes, fillings, and bread ingredients too. So initially, when we started with like a small baby with only 2 SKUs, and we started with 3 persons only in a very small 1-room kind of a thing, and then slowly and steadily we started on building the teams and added more products and all. So currently we have almost 157 SKUs which we are selling across India, and we are supplying to almost many key accounts, large corporate accounts. We supply to many key accounts across India, and so with that, currently in the last 11 years of our domestic operation, we have almost 400 persons working in our company. With that, we have 2 plants in Kerala currently. One takes care of our exports and one takes care of the domestic operations, and both the plants are running in full capacity. And we export to almost more than 20 countries. We export to almost all GCC countries, and we are one of the biggest exporter of specialty ingredients in India. So we have a fantastic sales team which is well equipped, and the sales team is being backed up by our operations very well. We have a talented R&D, QA, QC, and excellent production team. And with the consistent support of the logistics and the distribution network, we are able to stand up wherever we are. And ironically, in the last 4 years, I joined Crust and Crumb somewhere in February 2020. And in the last 4.5 years, we had almost tripled what we were during that time. And in the last 4.5 years, we have just tripled our the revenue in Crust and Crumb. And recently, last week, we had a Bhumi Pujan in Gujarat, Surat. We are going to construct a plant in Gujarat also. So that is going to be the first plant outside Kerala for Crust and Crumb. And so obviously, our chairman, with the support of chairman and managing director and the other directors and all, the other partners, Crust and Crumb has taken this kind of a shape. And obviously, all this thing, the big brain behind the growth and all is basically from our managing director, Varsha Vishnu Prasad. She is the Iron Lady. And obviously, I used to keep on discussing with my chairman and MD and all quite a few things. So with that, we are aspiring in the next 7 years. We are aspiring to become 5x. So wishes, best of luck. Thank you very much.